Welcome back, guys. So if you have a cloud account, you should be able to log in directly, but if you don't have, all you have to do is to search for Claude AI on your browser. Search for Claude AI right now, and here you're going to have Claude AI. So the website to Claude is claude.ai. So you're going to come right here. If you don't have an account yet on Claude, now is your time to create an account. To create an account, all you have to do is to continue with Google. So I'm going to continue with Google right here, and all you have to do is to input your email and everything you'll be needing for this. So you could easily input your email. Beloved Adejigbe is what I want to input, so I'm going to input beloved Adejigbe, yes, at gmail.com. So at gmail.com to start with. So I'm going to next that, of course, and the next thing you want to do, of course, is to input your password. So I can input my password right now, and there I am. So I'm going to next this right now. So right now I've been sent an email, so I'm going to just use this. So there are different emails being sent, so I could use my Google Authenticator app. So I'll go with the Google Authenticator app right now, and I want to use that to get a code so that I can use that for my account. My code is 424 basically. Then I'm going to next right there. So now I've used my Google Authenticator. Now that I've used my Google Authenticator, let's see. So now I'm being directed to Cloud AI. Immediately I did all that, it opened directly. Well, by the way, if you're using a Chrome browser and you keep having issues, try to use a Microsoft Edge browser like what I just did. I'm using a Microsoft Edge browser right now. So this way I'll be able to create a cloud account. It is as easy as that. So setting it up is as easy as that. But now let's look at the upgrade. When you try to upgrade your cloud account, there are different plans right here. You could see this very plan is about $17, and if you were to do it monthly, you see how much it is monthly. So it is about $20 monthly if you were to do it that way, and you could see everything you get from your cloud. Cloud has everything: cloud code, co-work, unlimited project, access to research, memory across conversations, mock cloud model, cloud in Excel, cloud in Chrome, and there's another version of cloud that is cloud mass, where you have to pay $100 every month, and you can see everything that comes with that basically. So this is Cloud AI for you, and this is how to create an account. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.